everybody, and welcome to another weekly update video from myself, Sarah Lean. Now, if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel and get notified of when videos are coming out. I have lined up some videos during the week, so on a Wednesday there's going to be a little video released now, and on a Friday you'll get this weekly update. Now, in terms of this week, the news around Azure, we have had another announcement of another Azure region. So we've announced that we are going to be launching an Azure region in Taiwan, which again will see us tip right over into that 70 mark. There are 65 regions live right now, and I think there are now 6 in the pipeline, plus the 3 we've just announced, so that's 9. So yeah, definitely over that 70 mark for sure. So yeah, another great addition to the Azure range. In terms of product announcements, there's 2 that I want to talk about. We've got log analytics now available in, I think it's Brazil South, and also in Norway, I believe it is. So again, another fantastic addition that will help hopefully unlock some additions for our customers. I know when we didn't have log analytics in all of the UK data centres, that was often a source of confusion and a blocker for some people's cloud data centre migrations. So again, definitely check that out, and I'll be posting links in the description, so make sure you're clicking on those to find out more about the news events. Now, the other news event that I want to talk about is the fact that we now have dev test pricing for the premium tiers within the Azure App Service. So before, I think the dev test tiers were only available on some of the smaller pricing tiers, but we've now launched the ability to use dev test pricing on our premium plans as well. And I think I read that you can save up to 64% of your costs if you apply the dev test plans to that environment, and also if you're leveraging some of the reserved instances on App Service as well. So again, check out the link below to read up more about this, because I know it probably, hopefully, a good feature for some of you is to leverage a dev test subscription against some of your app service plans, and before you can test things out properly before you roll up into production. Now, for me, it's been a bit of a weird week. I started off working kind of UK hours at the start of the week, and I've kind of slightly changed my schedule. I'm working a little bit of Seattle time now to accommodate some of the filming that I need to do for this big video project that I'm still working on. But hopefully we've broken the back of it, and we'll see the end of it next week. But it's exciting, and I'm definitely going to be telling you more about that when it comes launch time. This week I've also had the chance to host or attend the Glasgow Azure user group. We had the 21st meetup of the event. It was really well attended, and I loved the speakers. We had Trisha and we had Barbara, and they really dialed into some of the information and shared some great insights. Trisha taught me some things about Azure DevOps boards that I didn't know. I'm definitely going to be taking into my work day to day, because we use Azure DevOps boards to track some of the kind of content that we create and what everybody's doing. And Barbara actually dialed down into some of the automation that you can do, and she was showing us some of the things around PowerShell and CLI. And again, although I use these a little within my day job, I don't use them all the time, so it was good to get a bit of a refresher and see some of the newer things that I hadn't caught on to. So massive thanks to everybody that attended, and a thank you to our speakers as well. So if you didn't already tune in to that, I'm going to be putting the recording on. It might even be live by the time you see this video, but the recording of that meetup will be going on my YouTube channel again. So another great reason to subscribe, so you get a notification when that goes live as well. We are having a Glasgow Azure user group virtually in December. We have Donovan Brown speaking at our event. We also have Heidi speaking as well. So again, links in the description below to sign up and find out more about those talks and how you can get involved. We will be having a Christmas quiz, and I'm going to try and get quiz prizes for first, second and third prize place. So definitely do tune in and sign up for that. It'll be hopefully a good event to kind of round off the year for us virtually as well. So I think I've rambled on enough, and I need to go and get some lunch before we get filming again and something to eat. So thank you for tuning in. Please do like this video if you have enjoyed it, and feel free to leave me a comment as well. Thank you, and have a good one, everybody.